Hunga Tonga Ha'apai is still erupting. Those who experienced the eruption firsthand not only witnessed the largest explosion ever measured, they also survived the largest lightning strike associated with a single natural event. The explosion generated a tsunami that devastated the Tonga Kingdom, clearing many islands of all signs of life. One of the first on the scene was volcanologist Shane Cronin of the University of Auckland. He offers a description of his destruction. When I arrived and went west, the scene of the damage was terrible. With no resorts, buildings or trees left, beaches are now more vulnerable than ever. Cronin said Hunga Ha'apai is now about 25% of its pre-eruption size, and less than 10% of Tonga's Hunga remains. And the eruption is still ongoing, though unlikely to pose any imminent danger. There is still a continuous source of magma in Hunga, so future activity is inevitable. But I hope there is no this scale for hundreds of years. The caldera is now so deep that a minor event would have no impact. Small eruptions that still occur like geysers. Since the caldera is so deep, they won't cause any trouble far from the volcano. We passed them by boat many times and didn't even notice it until we saw it on the sonar. They are like the safety valves in a pressure cooker.